Okay, we'll start today. Length of the chord problem, sir. First problem. Find the length of the chord on the circle x square plus y square minus x minus 3y plus 3y minus 22 is equal to 0 by the line y is equal to x minus 3. Okay, solution. Length of the chord is equal to 2 into root of r square minus d square. Formula is length of the chord is root 2 into that we say AB. Okay, means if you got a circle like this is called length of the chord. Okay, AB is equal to 2 times of r square minus d square. So what is the 2g value? Minus 1. 2f is equal to 3. C is equal to minus 22. What is the g value? Minus 1 by 2. F value 3 by 2. And what is the center? Minus g comma minus f. So what will happen? 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. And what is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. G square means 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 minus c means minus of minus plus. So r is equal to LCM is 4, 1 plus 9 plus 88. So 89, 98 by 4. Now we got r value, we got center. Now D is equal to perpendicular distance from center. What is the center? 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 to the line. What is the line? We are right in terms of x minus y minus 3. Always it should be x, y and constant. Eppudu x comma y comma constant rupamlo undali sir. It should be in that form. So D is equal to x place is replaced by 1 by 2 modulus, y is replaced by minus of minus plus 3 by 2 minus 3. You know AX1 formula. We are learning 1b. by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So AX1 root of a square means 1 square minus 1 square. What is A? X coefficients are B, Y coefficient, and x1, y1 replaced by this. So this becomes D is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 4 by 2, which is 2. 2 minus 3 by root of 2. So modulus is there 1 by root 2. Therefore AB is equal to 2 into root of r square minus d square. So 2 into r square means the square root will go 98 by 4. D square means 1 by 2. So 2 into root of 98 minus 2 by 4. 4 is LCM, so this becomes 2 into root of 96 by 4, which is 2 root 24. So what is the AB value? 2 root 24. Formula applications are okay. Please note down this. Next, find the length of the chord on the circle by the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0 on the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Same procedure, sir. 2g is equal to minus 8, 2f is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 8, g value minus 4, f value minus 1, right? Then center minus g comma minus f. So 4 comma 1. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 4 plus 1 minus of minus plus. So how much we get? So what is the formula? G square. G square means 16, sir, here. 16 plus 1 plus 8. So this becomes root 25. So 5. So we got radius is 5. Again, what is the center? Minus 4 comma 1. Now D is a perpendicular distance from center 4 comma 1 to the circle xy plus x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So D is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 1 more or less by root of x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1. 1 square plus 1 square. So this becomes 6 by root 2. Again, AB is equal to 2 times of formulas are same. So 5 square 25 minus 36 by 2. So 2 into root of 25 minus 18, which is 2 root 7. Okay, same procedure, sir. Please note down. Okay, next. Find the length of the chord by the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square on the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Again, circle equation x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0. 2g is equal to 0, 2f is equal to 0. There is no x and y let's add into. So, and what is the c value? Minus a square. So, g value 0, f value 0. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f, which is 0 comma 0. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So, root of 0 plus 0 plus a square, which is a. And what is the d? Perpendicular distance from center 0 comma 0 to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p is equal to 0. Equal to p only, so we have to write minus p is equal to 0. Therefore, x is replaced by 0 plus sin alpha minus p modulus by x coefficient is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So this becomes p by 1 because sin square theta. So d is equal to p. Therefore, AB is equal to 2 into root of r square minus d square. R value a sir. So a square minus b square under root. Okay, same application. There is no change in the problem. Please note on this. Now next, if y is equal to mx plus c intersects circle x square plus y square is equal to a square at a comma b such that AB is equal to 2 lambda. AB is equal to 2 lambda. Then show that C square is equal to, then C square is equal to 1 plus m square into a square plus lambda square. Right? Now, what is that A has given? It is intersecting at 2 points. It is nothing but length of the chord only, sir. A point, B point, which are, sir. So, what is the AB given? AB is equal to 2 lambda. Therefore, 2 lambda is equal to 2 into root of r square minus d square. Right? So, 2 will get cancelled. Lambda is equal to root of r square minus d square. Right? Therefore, lambda square is equal to r square minus d square. You call it as equation number 1. For circle, what is circle? X square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0. 2g is equal to 0. Endukante there is no x and y, so 2g and 2f will be 0. C is equal to minus square 0. Minus center 0 comma 0. What is the radius? Root of minus c. So 0 plus 0 plus a square, that is a. What is the r value? A. So we got r value and we require now d value. Now d is the perpendicular distance from center 0 comma 0 total 9 ఏమి ఇచ్చారు సార్ అక్కడ y is equal to mx plus c, so we have to rewrite this mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. First x term, then y, then constant x, y constant, so we have to rewrite this. So d is equal to 0 into m minus 0 plus c by root of x coefficient is m sir, m square, y coefficient is minus 1. We know ax1 plus by1 plus c formula sir, ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square, that x1 y1 0 comma 0, so this becomes c by root of 1 plus m square. So you got c by 1 plus m square. Put in 1. What is the first equation? Lambda square is equal to r square. R square means a square minus d square. D square and answer c by root of 1 plus m square whole square. So this becomes lambda square is equal to a square by 1 plus m square. Now look at here, what is the answer? It says c square is equal to 1 plus m square into a square minus a square plus lambda square. So bring the c square by 1 plus lambda square is equal to a square minus lambda square. Here a square minus lambda square sir, not plus. A square minus lambda square. So cross multiply a square minus lambda square into 1 plus m square. Same thing we got 1 plus m square into a square minus lambda square is equal to c square. Just bring the c by m 1 plus m square this side, cross multiply. Okay, let us see next problem. Find the equation of the circle with center minus 2 comma 3 and making length of the chord of 2 units on the line three x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now solution. Given length of the chord and teachers are 2. So what is the AB value? 2. What is the formula of AB? 2 into root of r square minus z square. What is the formula? AB is equal to 2 into r square minus z square. So 2 is equal to 2 into r square minus z square. 2 will get cancelled. 1 is equal to root of r square minus d square. Square both the sides. Now this is the first. Now d is the perpendicular distance from center. What is the center sir? Minus 2 comma 3 to the line 4 is equal to 0. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 12 plus 4. Okay, 3x means minus 6 plus 12 plus 6. So it is becomes by root of 3 square plus 4 square. So 16 minus 6 is 10 by 25 under root 5, which is 2. So what is the d value? Put in 1. What is the first one sir? 1 is equal to r square minus d square. D square means 2 square. So 1 is equal to r square minus 4, which will give you r square is equal to 5. Now we got r value, r square value we got. Now what is the equation of the circle? Now we require equation of the circle. Formula answer x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h comma k is the center. What is the center he has given? Minus 2 comma 3. So substitute here x plus 2 whole square y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square is root 5 whole square. So expand this x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 5. So x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y, 4 plus 9 is 13 is equal to 5. So x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, there are 4 problems on length of the card, sir. 5 problems. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 problems, sir. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 problems. 4 problems is what, sir? Finding the length of the card and conditions. Okay, these are very, very important, sir. So we have seen equation of the tangent, equation of the normal. Then we have seen how to find the length of the card. Okay, there are some more. This is 1C exercise, sir. Everything we are doing in 1C exercise. Okay, we'll continue in the next class.